Is crop rotation necessary? In the past, crop rotation was widely regarded as an indispensable component of sustainable agriculture. However, recent research challenges the notion that crop rotation is universally necessary for ensuring sustainability in farming systems. One alternative approach gaining traction is PQNK, permaculture or circular production, a system rooted in natural ecosystems designed to facilitate year-round crop growth. PQNK recognizes that crop types can remain consistent or vary based on seasonal considerations. The core principle behind PQNK is the establishment of a self-sustaining ecosystem that fosters harmonious interactions between plants and animals, resulting in a well-balanced and highly productive system. Furthermore, the volume of sustainable minerals in the soil never depletes, meaning that with the right farming practices, we can continue to grow crops on the same land forever without degrading the soil. This is because natural ecosystems have developed a balance between the plants, animals, and microbes that inhabit them. Recent research has shown that there is an abundance of all kinds of materials that plants require for vigorous growth in the soil. However, these minerals are not always in a form that is readily available to plants. Microbes in the soil play a crucial role in making these minerals available to plants in a proportionally balanced form. This new understanding of the soil has the potential to revolutionize agriculture as we know it. Moreover, agriculture, which started 10,000 years ago, has relied on tillage-based systems that kill soil microorganisms with plowing, inundation, and keeping soil naked without organic mulch. This practice not only kills life in the soil but also burns organic matter, as soil temperature in a naked soil can rise to 70 degrees Celsius in summer. It is important for us to incorporate this new understanding of the soil into our farming practices. We must move away from tillage-based systems and embrace regenerative farming techniques, such as PQNK. Industrial agriculture is an augmented form of agriculture started by Homo sapiens, some 10,000 years ago. In the context of pests and diseases, it is now understood that they are part of the recycling system in the natural world. When crops are healthy, pests and diseases are naturally suppressed. However, in the event of an infestation, the natural mechanisms of protection, such as the presence of Bt bacteria and predators, play an effective role in controlling them. This understanding challenges the argument that crop rotation is necessary for the management of pests and diseases. Similarly, weeds, which have traditionally been managed through crop rotation, are now seen as a potential solution rather than a problem. Weeds often thrive in areas where the soil is compacted, water absorption is reduced, or where the soil is left bare. However, they play a beneficial role in the ecosystem by increasing the porosity of the soil, reducing water evaporation, and moderating soil temperatures. When the soil is well covered with organic mulch, the emergence of weeds is less likely. In cases where weeds do appear, they can be considered as live mulch since they do not compete with cash crop plants for abundant minerals in the soil. However, they may compete for sunlight, and therefore, it is important to manage weeds in a way that prevents them from shading the cash crop plants. This can be achieved through appropriate weed management techniques. By supporting the growth of beneficial microbes in the soil, managing pests and diseases through natural mechanisms, and adopting practices that promote soil health and organic mulching, we can create a more sustainable. By working with nature rather than against it, we can create a world in which agriculture is not only sustainable but also regenerative, supporting the health of the planet for generations to come.